Welcome friends. In this video we shall learn how to find the square root of a number of a square number by using prime factorization method. And we shall learn this method by few examples. Suppose we have an example: find the square root of the following square numbers by using prime factorization method. And the numbers are 7744 and the second number is 1225. Let us see how to find the square root of these numbers by using prime factorization method. First of all, we shall start with the part 1 of the example, and in part 1 we are given a number 7744. First of all, we shall resolve this number into its prime factors like this. We can divide this number by 2 because the unit digit is an even number, so we can divide it by 2 to get 3872, and we can divide this number also by 2 to get 1936, and this number can also be divided by 2 to get 968, and this number 968 can also be divided by 2 to get 484, and this 484 can also be divided by 2 to get 242, and this 242 can also be divided by 2 to get 121, and this 121 can be divided by 11 to get 11. So now we shall write the given number 7744 as the product of its prime factors like this: 2 into 2 into 2 6 times, 2 into 2 into 2, and 11 into 11. And now we can find the square root of this number 7744 like this. And now we shall group them like this, and we'll take one factor from each pair outside of this sign of a square root. 2 from this pair, 2 from this pair, 2 from this pair, and 11 from this pair. And now we shall multiply these numbers, then it will be 88. So the square root of 7744 is equals to 88. So this is the solution of the part 1, and now we shall start the part 2 of the example. And in part 2 we are given a number 1225. Now we shall factorize this 1225 by using prime factorization method, and this number can be divided by 5 because the unit digit is 5. So we have 245, and now this 245 can also be divided by 5 to get 49, and this 49 can be divided by 7 to get 7. So we can write this 1225 by using product of its prime factors like this, and now we can easily find the square root of this number 1225 like this. Now we shall make pair of the prime factors of this 1225 and take one outside of each pair of under the sign of square root to get 35. So the square root of 1225 is 35. So this is how we can find the square root of a perfect square by using prime factorization method. Thank you.